Welcome to Pageant Trend. This is Jay. And guys, I'm here with the official candidates of Mr. Chinatown Philippines 2023. I'm here with Jeremy. Hi, Jeremy.
Hi, I'm Jeremy.
All right. So please greet our subscribers.
Hello mga subscribers
From Pageant Trend.
ng Pageant Trend. Sana masuportahan niyo ako sa journey ko sa Mr. Chinatown 2023.
Okay. Jeremy, how are you right after this presentation? And how do you feel now?
Actually, masaya kasi kahapon sobrang kinakabahan ako actually for the Q&A.
Okay.
And ayun, ngayon na natapos na, masaya kasi tapos na.
Alright, congratulations anyway for winning Darling of the Press.
Thank you.
Yeah. Jeremy, you are also one of the strongest candidate for Mr. Chinatown Philippines, and obviously you're one of the press favorite. So, what can we expect from you for this competition?
Actually, may expect niya sa akin is gagawin ko best ko talaga. And ayun, hopefully, if God allows, sana manalo ako sa competition na to. And actually, ina-enjoy ko lang talaga yung journey during this pageant. And yun, nagiging family din yung mga co-candidates ko. And ayun, nagiging more bonding lang kami. And yun, ina-enjoy ko lang yung journey actually.
First time mo ba mag-join ng pageant?
Second time actually.
Second time. So, ano yung previous pageant na sila?
First time ko mag-pageant, 2019, Global Asian Model.
Global. You look
yeah.
familiar.
Really?
But that pageant never had a question and answer portion.
Yeah, walang Q&A.
So, it's more on modeling.
Yeah, modeling. Rampa-rampa lang. And
Okay,
then
so
change
now
ko.
that there is a Q&A portion, so how was your training so far?
So far, okay naman. Kailangan ko lang talaga mag-practice, mag-enunciate, pronunciate yung words na sinasabi ko para maintindihan ng nakikinig sa akin.
Alright. Do you have any message to your fans and supporters and of course, the person behind your journey?
Gusto ko lang magpasalamat din sa mga nagsusuporta at continuously nagsusupport pa rin sa akin hanggang ngayon. And sana manood kayo sa Finals Coronation Night. Thank you.
Okay, Jeremy, may one last question na lang. Pick one. Basahin ka. Okay. Your question is, what do you think are your weakness and strength?
I think my weakness is being stubborn. Sometimes parang pag sinasabi sa akin na hindi na okay ginagawa ko, pero parang matigas ulo ko na gusto kong magawa muna bago ko malaman na ay hindi nga pala okay. And yung strength ko is yun din, stubborn talaga ako. So kung may gusto akong gawin, gagawin ko talaga siya. And
Alright,
yun.
so napaka very competitive pala nito ni Jeremy. Jeremy, thank you so much and best of luck on your journey sa Mr. Chinatown Philippines 2023.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Pageant
you,
Trend.
Jeremy. Bye-bye.
Bye.